The Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday afternoon, May 31st. We are wrapping up meteorological spring today, but it feels like the middle of meteorological summer. Check things out. Water vapor satellite view. Primary dynamics moving well to the north. Upper low near the Canadian border. Around here, just hot, steamy, and like you expect in most summer afternoons, we have widely scattered storms. That was the radar at 2:42. At that point, we had big storms from near Northport up to the northern part of Birmingham. Some of the heavier storms producing some hail and strong winds, and they're moving hardly at all. And we've had some reports of winds of 50 miles per hour in the storm north of Birmingham, and many reports of small hail in these storms. And away from the storms, it's hot. Birmingham, 93 before the storms developed. Hottest temperature so far this year, but those were the 2 o'clock observations. Birmingham had dropped down to 80 at that point with nearby thunderstorms. We'll expect highs back in the low 90s tomorrow, but we are expecting some relief early next week as drier continental air drops in. Up on the watch warning map, a flash flood watch for much of Texas. They've got a number of counties there under flash flood warnings, and an excessive heat watch for the deserts in the southwest United States. That is a sign of the times. That's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have the standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana. Alabama, a marginal risk for the southern counties of the state, but actually some of the bigger storms have formed up here on our end of the state. And like we talked about this morning, where the storms do form, and many of you will just stay hot and dry, the storms will pack a punch with a chance of hail and strong straight-line winds. Tomorrow, a marginal risk well to the west and north, and on day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk for the southern tip of Texas. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning, and this is getting into a time of the year where it's hard to draw these up because of the scattered nature of the storms. The rain distribution will not be very even. We do expect to see an increase in the number of scattered showers and storms late this week and over the weekend, but again, the big rains will stay well to the west, as you can see. All right, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Trough well to the north. There is an upper low near El Paso, Texas, and as that trough gradually approaches, we expect a little better chance of showers and storms late this week. But tomorrow, no big change. We're expecting a partly sunny day, hot and muggy. The chance of a pop-up afternoon storm in spots. Thursday, a surface front near the Ohio River, and as that sags to the south, that could bring a little better risk of a thunderstorm. Still scattered, but a little more numerous. And the same thing on Friday. Intervals of sunshine. We'll have scattered showers and storms Friday afternoon. And over the weekend, another front develops to the west, a surface low well to the north, but again will be in a moist, unstable environment. And again, you can see that we'll have at least scattered showers and storms Saturday, maybe numerous, but it's not going to rain all day, no washout. And Sunday seems to be the day with the highest coverage of rain. Still, we can't promise it's going to be a good rain for everybody, but most places should see a good downpour or two over the weekend. And because of the clouds and showers, some spots could stay in the 70s all day Sunday. And then Monday, a very nice, refreshing, cool trough develops over the east. Moist air moves out. We get into that dry continental air. Lower humidity, cooler nights. Monday will be sunny with low to mid-80s, and Tuesday, a very nice day. We could start the day down in the 50s Tuesday morning. The high will be in the 80s. The humidity will stay low. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday, June 10th. Still got troughing over the eastern U.S., and we are still dry. And we note a broad low in the Gulf of Mexico, just something to watch. It is that time of the year. Numbers, you can see how they come down. And again, these things are too hot. It's not going to be 99 tomorrow. But again, the high will drop down into the low 80s, perhaps on Sunday. And again, some spots could stay in the 70s all day. And a pretty good chance we'll see 50s in a lot of places by Tuesday morning of next week. But then the low 90s come back later in the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.